Guys, we are looking very bullish on the charts right now for a lot of our favorite cryptos, especially Dogecoin. Guys, Dogecoin just bounced to 34 cents last night as SHIB was literally crashing. I'm going to be discussing that with you in today's video. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals, and if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip. That rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy and sell so that you guys can as well, or hold your position. I'm also able to review your portfolio and let you know what needs to be adjusted on my Patreon as well. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily uploads. And smash that like button if you love cryptocurrencies. Guys, Shiba Inu had a massive correction. It corrected by 40%. And literally as that was happening, Dogecoin pumped up from 23 cents on up to 34 cents just within less than an hour. Guys, people were beginning to realize that Robinhood possibly won't even list Shiba on their platform. And as people got paper hands selling out of Shiba, they then got more confidence in Dogecoin. For good reason, since Elon is behind it. And guys, if you bought Dogecoin at 22 cents when I called it out and sold at 34 cents, guys, you've already made 50% of your money. And also, if you bought Shiba Inu when I called it out at a fraction of what it is right now, you would have already made several $100. So congratulations to those patrons. Guys, what's your favorite cryptocurrency and why? Let me know down below. Guys, Shiba Inu is just $2 billion away from flipping Dogecoin and beating Dogecoin by market cap. Does this mean that it'll beat out Dogecoin in the long run? Absolutely not, guys. Dogecoin has a lot more behind it, just as Elon Musk tweeted out, saying that it's all about the product. It's not all about the money, which means he's working with the developers of Dogecoin to make Dogecoin's use case actually legitimate, and for it to continue increasing in value over time, moving up along with Bitcoin. Guys, Dogecoin is currently setting up for a massive pump. Shiba Inu is looking a bit bearish. We're going to be getting into that shortly. However, a huge news article came out titled, Shiba Inu's risk drops with SHIB's 574% October price rally near exhaustion. Shiba Inu's massive gains all across October may pair on potential bearish divergence, signal an overvalued relative strength index. Because of SHIB's excessive price rally, it's looking like it's about to have a 25 to 35% pullback, so you want to keep that in mind. Expect a pretty big pullback, cool down corrections period for Shiba Inu because it's been going up straight for so long. Guys, we can't have any dip without a peak, and we can't have any peak without a dip, so that dip is coming. It's just a matter of when it's going to crash very hard. Dogecoin, on the other hand, is much more stable as of now. With fundamental catalysts in the works for Dogecoin and Elon Musk behind it, you can feel very confident having your money in Dogecoin. And I'm calling Doge's dips out as I see them form on the charts as well, as long as they're steep enough so that we'll see huge profits within a short period of time. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. And if you don't already have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you deposit any amount, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Whenever there's huge pumps like we saw on Shiba Inu, what you're going to want to do is pull out. Not all the way, but at least pull out your profits so that you can then put it into much more secure coins, much more stable coins that you know have a great future. Some more huge news, an article came out titled, Dogecoin hits 2-month high as Shiba Inu lags in crypto rankings. Diverging price trends help Doge consolidate its position as the 9th largest cryptocurrency, but Shiba Inu coin isn't far behind. Guys, now that we're finally in the 30s for Dogecoin, we will now see a lot of Shiba Inu folks coming on over to Dogecoin because they're wanting stability. They'll see all the volatility on Shiba Inu charts and they'll want to come over. They'll start to flock by the masses, so you want to get in on Dogecoin before that happens because it'll shoot up when that does happen. And guys, not to mention, in early 2022, Elon Musk has promised to fund an entire spaceship to fly up to the moon and land an actual Dogecoin on the moon. So this will be huge, and this will likely cause the price of Dogecoin to soar past $1. And even if we do get another pretty big drop for Dogecoin, it'll only allow a lot of new smaller retail investors to get in, causing stability to be much greater and causing it to go straight up from there with a higher low than we would have formed. And of course, with higher highs and higher lows forming on the chart, that is a clear sign of an uptrend. And a reminder that we are still in our bull cycle. Guys, if you haven't gotten in already and you're not positioned very well, you want to do that as soon as possible because we are currently in the most bullish months of the year. Historically, October, November, and December are the most bullish months of the year, and that's when we'll be seeing all-time highs form on a lot of our favorite cryptos. And because Ethereum just had a brand new upgrade, that's why we saw it pump from 4,000 on up to 4,400 very quickly, hitting an all-time high. And guys, as we take a look at the Dogecoin charts, as you can see, even though we had a good bit of a cooldown corrections period, we're now going up from there, with a clear uptrend with higher highs and higher lows forming on the charts. As you can see, that was a clear setup for a massive bullish move, with this huge bullish flag and pennant right when we went from 23 cents on up to 34 cents. And of course, the whale sold, causing the price to go down a bit. Guys, what we're forming right here is an ascending triangle. That's a very bullish symbol. Once we're finished forming our ascending triangle, moving sideways and consolidating a bit, we will inevitably break out either up or down. And I'm expecting us to break out to the upside. So you want to be ready to buy the dip once we do reach our bottom and have some cash on the side to buy it, so that you can be ready to sell when I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell. So if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. And if you don't already have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit any amount, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily uploads. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.